outlet's not working. He said this one over here. And this one shows the same, looks like. And this is behind the washer. All right, so this is into the line. So this ain't the problem. Yeah, this could be a problem. Highs and neutrals are reversed. Let's see if we can swap these around. I hate tape joints. If you see this in your house, just get ready to call an electrician. And after checking everything, check this out. The wires were not even tied together, not even put together under a wire nut. This just pulled right off. So those connections, I'm going to make this right. Yep, here's the feed. Still reading 120, but it was slowly burning up, as you can see.